Okay, so for this one, I'm going to be making my son a new desk, but we're going to be using some of the old wood. Found a use for the old top of my dresser, the first one that I made, that I didn't like how it turned out exactly for the dresser, but I think it'll actually work really good for this. So we're going to use that as the top, resurface it, stain it. We've got these metal legs we'll attach to, and then also some other attachments from an old project that we did that will have a little stand and some places to put things on top of the desk. We're going to go ahead and do it while my work area is still a mess from the last project we did, because it should be a quick one, and all I'm going to be doing is making a bigger mess, so might as well do it all now, and I'll clean it up after. Now I'm going to use the router to make grooves for one of the stands. It was originally on a thinner desk, and so in order for it to be able to slide in and be held securely, you need to make it a little thinner. So I'll put some grooves on the bottom so that way it can slide in. I'm going to make it so it can be moved either off to the side or in the middle. So I'll do 3 grooves, and that middle groove will be used for both configurations, just in case. We're going to sand down and stain the bottom side. This is going to be kind of for completeness, so if you go underneath you can see it's been finished on the bottom also, but also kind of to test, make sure this is a good color. He wanted to use the gray stain, and so we want to see how it'll look before we do the top. We liked how the stain turned out, so we're going to go ahead and sand the front. Got some paint on it from the last project we did, so we'll get the paint off. Get it all sanded down with some fine sandpaper, and go ahead and start getting it conditioned and stained. Now we're going to go ahead and condition it. This helps the stain be a little more uniform. This type of stain can kind of get stuck in certain areas a little bit more, so this will help even it out. Now we're going to go ahead and stain. We'll just do 1 coat. That should give us the color that we want, and get it spread out really nice. This one, even with the conditioner, it might be a little hard to spread out, so we'll make sure we really work it in good. Now we're going to seal it. I do 3 or 4 coats of sealer, make it really a good protective coat, and it's a semi-gloss, so it should be a little glossy and should look good when it's all done. Now it's time to set it up and install. We'll put all the legs in, all the different attachments, and get it all set up and see how he likes it. Alright, the desk is all done. Set up, got all the stuff on it. Good workspace for him. Now I'll have plenty of room for gaming on his computer or doing schoolwork and stuff. And he likes it, so call it a win.